Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how I cover up my blemishes and redness and all my problems area on my skin with the new Bareminerals Spot Concealer Treatment. So today I'll be showing you guys how I reduce the appearances of blemishes and redness and to help prevent future blemishes as well. The main product in this video will be the new Bareminerals Blemish Rescue Skin Clearance Spot Concealer, guys. If you guys want to see how I cover up my blemishes and redness, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I just put my hair back. Don't mind my hair. I'll fix it by the end when I finish putting on my makeup. So I already moisturized my face with this Tarte Maracuja oil. So I was at Sephora and I asked one of the workers that I need something that help moisturize my face because in the winter time I get really dry and flaky. So one of them recommended the Tarte Maracuja oil, and she says she used this before and she loves it. So I got it in a travel size just to test it out, and if I actually really love it, I could go exchange it for the bigger size one. So this is how it looks. It's just in a cute little purple packaging with flowers on the side right there. And I actually love their applicator because it has like this medicine pump right here, so I don't have to like put my hand into it. So I try it for a couple of days now and I really love it. Like I use it every morning, every night, and it actually moisturizes my face and it even brightens it up. Like I have oily and blemished skin and it actually works. It doesn't even clog my pores, guys, and when you apply it, it doesn't feel really greasy like some oils, because some oils I use, it feels really greasy on my face, but this one does not feel greasy at all. So once I finish moisturizing my face, I use this Blemish Rescue by Bareminerals. It's basically a skin clearance spot concealer. So this is how the packaging looks right here. And I'm in the color Light 2W, by the way. The person that was helping me at Sephora, she actually recommended this. She said this is actually Baremineral new product right here. So that's how it looks right there. It has like a fine point tip, and it also have a sharpener at the end, so you could sharpen it as well. So do you guys see it? Okay, so I zoom you guys in a bit so you guys could see how I use this spot concealer right here. What I also love about this product is that it has salicylic acid in it. Helps with the blemishes that's on your face. So I usually just put it on anywhere that I have blemishes. So I'm just going to do one side first so you guys can see. Once I put the concealer on, I just want to take a concealer brush and dab it into my skin. Just like that. So as you guys can see, it reduced the blemishes and redness that I had on my face. So you guys can see the difference. So this is the before and this is the after right here. So let me just finish putting it on the rest of my face. Do you guys remember that I had that big pimple over here and it was like so red and it popped out? You guys see how it covered most of it already? And now I'll be using this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea water foundation. I actually love the packaging. Look how pretty it is. And I know I'm really late, and the girl recommended this foundation for me, and when she tried it on me, I was like, oh my goodness, I love it. It looks so natural. It doesn't look like I have foundation at all. And she told me it's like 20% water based. So this is in the color 22G light golden. So this is the expanded shade right here, and it has this blue dropper, which I love. The original shade that came out before, it comes in like this pump right here, but it's like a purple and gold ombre top. So this is the new shade that they add to the collection, and it comes with the blue topper. I still love it though. It's still pretty because it's blue and that's my favorite color. I just love how it comes in a medicine dropper like this, so I don't have to apply it onto the back of my hand. I could just apply it onto the back of my face. Onto my face, guys. So I will try it on my right side first so you guys can see the difference. I usually use only like two drops. I feel like that's all I needed. You guys can see it's really liquidy. So I'm gonna spray my beauty blender, and then I will just dab it into my skin like this. It actually smells refreshing as well. Like, it doesn't have a scent, but it has like that nature smell. I don't know, is it like just me? And whatever I have left on the sponge, I just dab it onto my forehead, because my forehead, I never have any problem areas around here. Hopefully I don't jinx myself and the next day I wake up and then I start have blemishes. Hopefully not, guys. So this side doesn't have foundation on and this side have foundation on, and look how radiant it looks and glowy as well. Look at that. So before, after. So just 2 drops. So I haven't tried this foundation with a brush before. I think I will try it today. Why not? So I'm using the Real Technique foundation brush. And let me see. I actually think I might like the brush more than the sponge. I feel like the brush, it gave me more of a full coverage than the sponge did. The sponge gave me like a light to medium coverage. Just give me like a medium to full coverage. I'm just going to add one more pump. I usually like to apply it directly to my face instead of onto the brush, because I feel like if I apply it onto the brush, it sinks down into the brush. And it's so easy to blend out as well. Back to the Bareminerals Blemish Rescue Spot Concealer. If you see some spots that are still peeking out, you can always put it over foundation as well. And it doesn't leave any cakiness if you do this, by the way. So I just want to cover more around this pimple right here. So make sure when you dab it into your skin, do it really lightly, because you don't want to dab the whole product off. I usually like to put it around my nose area as well, because that's where I tend to get redness. Alright guys, look how natural and glowy my skin looks. Love it. I absolutely love the two combination. Alright, let me just finish putting on the rest of my makeup and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I actually didn't powder off my face because when I went to Sephora she didn't powder my face at all, so I actually want to try it throughout the day when I'm actually going out running errands to see if my skin get oily, because it did get oily when she didn't powder my face. So I'm testing that out today, and if it does, I'll let you guys know in the description box down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.